Today we're gonna do the song called 10,000 Reasons. But before we begin, we need to know how to do the chords first. So we have learned the 4 chords: C, F, G, and A minor. So let's revise them slowly, one by one, okay? So starting with C chord. C chord is on the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, okay? So let's play this together, 4 times strum. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go, and 2, 3, 4. Release and back again. Release and back again. Release, last time, go. Okay, now the next chord that we have learned is your G chord. So you move up 1 string to the 2nd string of the 3rd fret with the same finger, and your 1st finger will be on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and on the same fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, using your 2nd finger. Okay, it should look something like this. Let's try your G chord. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go, and release and back again. Release and back again. Release and last time. Alright, now, so from there, we will move on to our A minor. A minor is pretty easy. Just 1 finger, middle finger. It has to be the 2nd finger because later you will have to move to another chord. So A minor is on the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go, and release and back again. Release and back again. Release, last time, go. Remember, at all times, your thumb should be behind the fretboard. Okay, now, same thing, holding it there, you have your 1st finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. Okay, that gives you your F chord. So let's try F together. 1, 2, ready, go, and release and back again. Release and back again. Release, last time, go. Okay, so let's recap the 3 chords. C chord, then to your G chord, then to your A minor, and then ending with your F chord. And go back to C. Now for this song, there is one part that you will need to practice very, very hard because it's only 1 strum. And you have to be familiar with playing 1 strum, changing without stopping. So what do I mean? So there's one part of the song that goes F, G, C. Okay, so you go F, G, C. Okay, so you need to know how to change between F and then G and then C. Alright, in order to do this, normally I would recommend that you do normal exercises on your fingers from F to G and F, G, and then C. So you just keep doing this until you're really familiar with it. Okay, now from here, we will start the song. So are you ready? Let's try the song together. Okay, let's go slow. Ready? Starting with the F chord. 5, 6, 7, go. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. G, oh my soul. F, worship His soul. C, rename G. Sing like F, never A minor. try this one more time for just the chorus. Okay, ready, 1, 2, ready, go. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before. F, my soul, I worship Your holy name. Let's go into verse 1. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, break. Let me be singing when the evening comes. Okay, let's try just the verse. Okay, just the verse itself. Ready, 1, 2, ready, go. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. 2, 3, 4. Let me be singing when the evening comes. Okay, so if you're ready, let's try this from the top to verse 2 and then back to chorus. Okay, from the top. Ready, 1, 2, ready, go. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. The rich in love and You're slow to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness will keep on singing. Let me know the reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name, sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name.
Thank you for listening.